Hello and welcome to the Marriott in Bangkok, Thailand. Hello, my name is Nick Gray. I'm going to give you a tour through this hotel. I've been staying here over the last night. I've spent a lot of time in Bangkok exploring many of the Marriott hotels here. Let me show you inside what it looks like. We're going to walk in the front lobby. Many people are checking out right now. But on my tour, stay tuned because I'm going to show you my room. I'm going to show you the gym. I'm going to show you the executive lounge. I'll show you the pool upstairs. This is the check-in, by the way. As soon as you come in, you're going to check in right over here. And then the elevators are back this way. By the way, I found a frog in the elevator last night. It was a very cute frog. Don't be turned off. Wait until you see the room. I think we'll go into there now. Let me go up these elevators. By the way, in case you're curious, this is a little bit of an overview on my tour. You're going to see the M Club. You're going to see the kids' room. You're going to see the fitness center, the pool, which is amazing. Let's go there now. All right, into my room. First impressions are very nice. Ooh, did you see that lightning out there? That's pretty good. So I've been upgraded. I'm not exactly sure what this upgrade involves. Maybe it's like this is the special part of the upgrade. But welcome! We're going to explore the room and check this out. Just as a quick reminder, my name is Nick Gray. I love to give these hotel tours for fun, for free. If you like this video, please give me a like. I'm at the Marriott, at the Marriott Bangkok Surawongse. I need to learn how to pronounce. But let me show you the rooms. One of the first things I do on my hotel room tours is I look to see the connections right by the bed. And the reason is because I'm always on my phone and I want to know, is there an easy USB connector? There is not, but we do have an easy power jack, which I appreciate. Let's see what's in these things. Okay, we just have books. Over here, we have some of this. Oh, that's a nice piece of art. I actually really appreciate this. This is very nice. That's cool. It's good to see. Wow, it is really thundering outside. This is very nice. I like how this is set up. I do see a USB port over here. So here's a USB regular port for charging what appear to be fresh flowers, a nice television. I'll take that. This is the king size bed. Over next to this side, I do see another USB port, so that's good. I like to see that for charging. Over here, what are these things? All right, we're gonna get into the bed. I'm gonna show you the bathroom. I'll show you what is over here for the coffee setup. But can you just allow me real quick to give a quick little commercial about this book? This is a book that I wrote called The 2-Hour Cocktail Party, and it will help you to meet your friends, host a networking event, build your network for work. I'm so passionate about this. It's why I get to travel the world. And I wrote it. It's very easy to read. Here's what I would say. Just look it up on Amazon and look at the reviews because the reviews are fantastic. All right, that'll be enough of my commercial. Let's look to see the coffee selection. We have these 2 coffee pods, this coffee thing, as well as 2 teas that are available. I see a regular and a decaf. It actually looks like these are coffees, so they're not teas. So I'm curious what the teas will be. Inside of here, we have a refrigerator as part of the mini bar right here. Shall I show you what's inside? Here's exactly what is in the mini bar in case you were wondering. And over here, we have some beautiful glasses. Let's see what's in this one. Okay, is this going to be our tea selection? Yes, we do have some teas here. I see 2 green teas and 2 black teas, as well as the coffee and the sweeteners. And then in the bottom, any guesses? Okay, more glasses. And a tea kettle, which is really nice. Pardon that. Now, this is really interesting that the closet is what I associate to be kind of a cheaper quality closet, but hey, whatever. That's that. Now into the bathroom. Let's walk into the bathroom. I'm going to take it because I actually, once again, I really appreciate this art on the wall. And can you see how it looks like the art is turning? It's this perspective. Wow. I have to say, this is one of the nicer hotels for the in-room art. They have the amenity kit that is in here. Folks love seeing these amenity kits, so I'm going to start to show it on all my videos. And then the shower and the bath. Now, I love this bath. This is a This looks like a jet bath, but it isn't. It's just a bath. We see there's a shower head right here, as well as the overhead rain shower, and then these bath products that you find in a lot of Marriott hotels. Now, what I want to show you is the gym. I want to show you the executive lounge, and let's go explore those things now and continue the tour of this Marriott hotel in Bangkok, Thailand. All right, I'm in the executive lounge now, and it's late at night and it's thundering outside, but I'm gonna show you around. I think I also wanna show you tomorrow morning when you can see the buffet and all the food that's set up. But for now, it's big, it's spacious. There's a lot of places to sit. It's very well lit. Let me just show you some of the tea and the drinks that are available. There's another seating area back here, which is pretty cool. Wow, look at all that light. Here's this nice seating all around here, executive area. And now I'll take you back over here. All right, hi guys. So this is where breakfast will be set up tomorrow and some snacks. I'm guessing they're gonna restock this. I shouldn't even show this as it's empty, but I came down here. This is open 24 hours a day, so I got some tea for myself. I got some chamomile tea, and you can also see that they have a coffee machine at any hour. We'll come back here tomorrow morning. Well, good morning here from the rooftop. Wait a second. Yes, from the rooftop here, I just had a great night's sleep, and I want to show you a look inside of the M Club Lounge because the breakfast buffet is very good, I have to say. I'm very excited about this. Let's go check it out. Come with me right now. All right, we're on this little rooftop lounge, which is outside. Ooh, what floor are we on? I think we're on the 21st floor. It's the same. Oh, by the way, see that building up there? That supposedly has one of the nicest roof decks. And I believe it's the tallest one that has one of the tallest roof decks here in all of Bangkok, Thailand. And if you've watched videos about that interesting look, then you know what I'm talking about. Really nice thing up here though, 21st floor. I think anyone can come up here, even if you don't have lounge access, you can come up to the ground, to the floor that we're here. Sorry, it's the 31st floor, so save that. Let's go into the lounge. Oh my gosh, nobody's in there. And so I think I can show you now the M Club Lounge, what the breakfast spread is. Okay, we're walking over here. Here's the bread. I just had one of these things. It was delicious. I'm very happy. I love seeing this. I'm gonna go to the gym, by the way. And when I go to the gym, I like to have a little bit of carbs beforehand. Look at this view. Have you ever seen a nicer bacon view? Great little setup. We see some eggs. And then this is the dim sum and the omelet station. Sorry. We have some fresh fruits over here, which I already got. I got some of those. And that's it. Don't forget the coffee machine. So here is the morning setup. This is where I took you last night. This is where I'm sitting over here. And you can see there are really nice views all around this space. Look at this. Can you imagine coming out here to this view? 31st floor. It looks quite different now than it did yesterday, right? When it was like raining and like thundering outside and everything. Great, well, now let's go down to the gym and explore the gym downstairs. Holy smokes alive. I was walking to the gym to show you guys the gym and I just found the pool. So I'm gonna walk and just give you a look at this really nice infinity pool. Look at the view, very nice. We're on the 18th floor. 18th floor is where the gym is located. There's a lot of other stuff all around here, which I think is pretty nice. Look at this, pretty cool. The gym is open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. As with most hotels, there's no lifeguard on duty. I believe it looks like there's a little hot tub over there. There are areas for our son. This is so nice. What a great view. Yes, it is a full infinity pool for those that are asking. Now we're gonna go back. Okay, so that's outside. We'll go inside to the gym now. All right, so walking inside from the pool, I will show you the gym. There's also the kids club area, which I thought was interesting for people who have families. This is the kids room. It appears that you can bring the kids here. Look, it's open from 9 a.m. until 6 p.m. Monday through Sunday. And you can just bring your kids here. It's not staffed, but they can hang out and play, which I think is really neat. I've actually never seen something like this. I've traveled a lot, but maybe I'm just not tuned into these things. It is located directly next to the gym. And this is what we're gonna go in here now to go and see. Allow me to show you inside the gym. Now, one thing that I look for is the cardio equipment first. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ellipticals. 1, 2, 3, 5 treadmills with a great view, by the way. There are 2 recumbent bikes, 1 normal bike, and then the free weights area, which I gotta say, I'm very excited about this, and this is what I come and what I look for at gyms because it is so hard to find these things. Now the weights are set up on kilograms, and we go from 2.5 kilograms all the way up to 20 kilograms. Here are some exercise balls over here. You can see this appears to be a lat pull-down machine or a forward lat machine. There's some other weight machines here. So if you're planning your workout and you're trying to figure out what you want to do, I hope that this video will help you. Will you give me a like or leave a comment and tell me when you're coming to this hotel? I try to be one of the best YouTubers on luxury hotels to show what's at the gym. It's something I'm very passionate about. Now, I want to tell you something that you won't see anywhere else in any other video. There is a steam room that is located in the bathroom around here, separate for men and for women. Now, within the steam room, there's also showers. It's a changing room, but it is right in the bathrooms that are located by the gym. And here's the thing, the steam room is open 24 hours a day. I came in last night, my flight didn't land till like midnight, and I was able to go and use the steam room, which was really nice. I'm walking out the back entrance now. It is so much more peaceful out here. This will conclude my tour. Thank you for watching. If you're going to this hotel or you're there now, tell me about it. Say hello in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great trip. I like this hotel. It was nice.